And welcome back again to my channel. This is Frank Brief and I'm your host Frank. So today we'll be doing a music reaction video. We'll be doing a Diamond Platinum song fits Tenor. Hope you enjoy the sound. Yeah, the name of the song is Sound. The dancing is always dope with Diamond, so you can never be bored with the song itself. Hope you all enjoy it and hope you have more music for me to react to. I just can't wait to get into this. This one is in Tanzania, so hope to get more music from Ethiopia, from Portugal, from Brazil, from Mozambique, and all the other parts of Africa and into the world. So enjoy the video.
Limpopo, dance is so cozy. Do for me so cold, make me confused. Bring your body close to me. Something nice, something sweet. Monica, mambo rote, kanipa, mege kila goja kwanza. When you hear the sound. Roboto, 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 roboto. Yeah, roboto. Say me got do my ass, roboto, 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 roboto. Yeah, roboto. Say me got one of the sun.
Whoa. With Diamond, always the music, the dancing itself, you can feel it is an art. Yeah, even if you don't know how to dance like me, but you feel being moved by the song to do those steps because they are easy, simple, and very dope. Yeah, like this song is dope. Then Diamond is speaking in English. Wow, that is the first song I've heard Diamond speaking like 3 sentences full in English.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Dancing, it's dope. And if you like the video, don't forget to share. Yeah, please share. Yeah, and if you do share, you care. That is the system. Yeah, so please do share. Also, if you have more music that you want me to react to from any country in the world, I can't wait to react to Portugal's music. Because I hear it's dope. So please, if you have one song that is from Portugal, do send it to me. And also, just any country, any language, send the music or just comment there down at the comment section, and any song you want me to react to, I'll be glad to. And with that, stay safe, like the video and subscribe.